Hello, I wanted to show you guys this Fisher & Paykel refrigerator that I have here. Just installed it yesterday. So this is a premium looking refrigerator here. Has a water dispenser on the outside. You just open the freezer here. And the ice maker is built in here with a cup that you can use to pick up anything. Freezer size is pretty big. Got a bunch of salmon here. This is a French door refrigerator. Has active smart technology. Put a bunch of stuff in there. It's well lit. Has these little divider things on this side and both sides, and then has this storage unit here on both sides as well. Has a humidity control storage areas on the bottom here. Everything else is very premium. Comes with 2 wine holder things, and yeah, pretty good. So you just pull everything out at once. Also, the control panel is over here. Has a ice boost option, so you can make more ice. And this is the water dispenser in action. So it's pretty quick, pretty clean. I believe the filter is on the back of the unit. At least that's how we got installed. So that's pretty much it. Definitely a good buy, in my opinion. And I'll see you later. Peace.